Hey, what's going on, people? Welcome back to another episode here on Fix It Rick. Today we got something special here. It's really dear to my heart. We are going to be unboxing this very generous care package from our friends at FlexSeal. FlexSeal overall is just a very family-oriented company. They have treated me so well. They have been so kind and so incredibly generous. They recently reached out to me and said that my review for FlexSeal Clear is just spot on for what the product does, that they wanted to add that video to their YouTube channel. And when I read that email, I was so blown away because that was the same day that my great-grandmother had passed away. And so I told them that. I said, you know, this email, it really lifted my spirits. I was so blessed by it. And I gotta tell you, this was something really special for me. So they responded back and then they said, well, we're so sorry for the loss of your great-grandmother that we want to send you a care package. And they sent me these beautiful flowers, which were, I swear, every day I looked at these flowers, I was completely blown away. I was so touched by it. They were beautiful sunflowers and another kind of rose, and they lasted a long time. They were just beautiful. And on top of it all, they gave me this care package. I have no idea what's inside. We're gonna peek in together and then we're gonna see, maybe we can use it around the house somewhere. Alright, let's get into it. So a big shout out to FlexSeal. I tell you, this box just looks amazing. Alright, so here we go. Oh, it was actually kind of funny, but I was expecting like a couple products and stuff, but you know what? I got something even better. I got a hat. I am such a sucker for hats. I love hats. Thank you, FlexSeal, so much for sending this out to me. There we go, it's perfect. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. It has been raining hardcore the last 3 days, and I'm gonna take you inside the RV and show you that that spot is still dry. So let's go check it out. Okay, so check this out. We used some FlexSeal Clear, and I put it right here. You can actually kind of see the residue of it because I was getting really generous with it. But let's go inside and see the results even after 4 years. It's kind of dark in here. It's better. Alright, so here's the spot where it was leaking. This was a huge puddle when I first, before I put in the FlexSeal. It would literally, on the inside of the windowsill, pour down, fill up in here, stop, and then puddle out everywhere. And it has been raining non-stop for 3 days straight. FlexSeal Clear, baby. Even after 4 years, it's still working. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and watch the review that I made for FlexSeal Clear, how I applied it and all that. But if you want to try FlexSeal Clear for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and buy yourself a couple cans. So again, a huge shout out to my friends over at FlexSeal. Thank you so much for the care package. Thank you so much for the hat. And thank you for all your kind words of condolences for the loss of my great-grandmother. My name is Rick Burrows. You're watching Fix It Rick. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and always remember that Jesus loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problems.